The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education and the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw Amando Cope College, participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
we're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
The most awaiting part ngayong araw natin, makikilala kung sino ang mananalo between these two great teams. It's the matchup between the Guangming College Flying Dragons versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Your commentator Rick Puerta and Christine Reyes to give you all an update sa mangyayari dito sa araw na ito.
And of course, live na live pa rin po tayo sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace at sa ating mga live Facebook page. Katulad na lamang po ng Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, and Geran TV 48 Naga para sa isang magandang bakbakan after the elimination round, the semi-final round, the exhibition game. Now, we are on to our finals. Maglalaban nga po NCF Tigers versus Guangming College na napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila dito sa 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball League. Kaya naman ngayong hapon na ito, titingnan natin kung sino ang aarangkada. Will it be the Guangming College with a straight wins or ang ating NCF Tigers na kahit nakakuha man sila ng 2 talo during that elimination round, nilaban nila, and now they're on the finals matapos ang kanilang laban against Olivares College.
Yes, talagang nabanggit mo dito yung journey ng dalawang koponan. On the side of the NCF Tigers, talagang natalo sila ng 2 beses, but on the 3rd one, nilaban against the UNC Greyhounds. And now, nasa final appearance na, defeating the Olivares College. And to hear an update on their side, let's call our courtside reporter, Kate. Hi Kate, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Dean, and good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all basketball fans all across the nation. Welcome to the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. I am 𝐏𝐃 reporting from the of the NCF Tiger, and today we will be witnessing the final match between the NCF Tigers and the Guangming College. Beyond the trophy, this is more than just a game, but this is a battlefield for the NCF Tigers and the Flying Dragons to claim their crown in one court for the unforgettable clash for the champion. And now, makakasama natin key players of the NCF Tigers, jersey number 18, Chimo. So, hello, good afternoon. In this finals, how do you plan to keep your focus and execute the game plan during the competition?
Good day. I just to execute very well. We just have to play together as a team and work together as a team. Team effort, then we'll win.
So in this game, what kind of mindset the team need to push? Especially you guys already face off the Guangming College from the elimination round.
We should have the right mindset because this is either win or go home. So we need to go all out. Thank you.
Alright, lastly, is there any message to our team and to our viewers to invite them for this game?
To all the viewers at home, I hope you guys continue to support us and we continue to make you all proud. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Jimo. That is jersey number 18. And in this game, the question is, who will survive the fire and who will withstand the battle for the championship? Start now. Back to the battle.
Thank you so much, Kate. Ayan nga, sabi dito ni Jimo, it is a team effort, and since this is their last game, they need to give it all out na para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na to, most especially on the side of NCF Tigers. During that elimination round, natalo sila dito ng Guangming College, pero maliit lang yung kalamangan nilang ginawa dito ng Guangming College. So right now, titinan natin kung ito bang Guangming or itong NCF Tigers, they are ready to conquer the finals and get the championship against their opponent. But on the other side, ito namang ating Guangming College, napakaganda ng record na binigay nila dito sa ating 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball League. Kaya po, sa ating championship na to, ano nga ba yung paghahanda ang ibinigay sa atin ng 2nd South Luzon or ng Guangming sa ligang ito. Kaya naman, Rick, sa mga nakatutok po sa atin ang live sa Oragon Sports TV, Jaran TV 48 Naga at Oragon Basketball League, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Dahil yung mga NCF fans andito na sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace, while yung mga fans naman po ng GMC talagang tutok na tutok po sa ating live coverage. Kaya naman, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Mamaya po, isa-shoutout po namin kayo sa mga pagbati po ninyo dito sa loob ng laban natin, ang championship round. And now to hear the update on the side of Guangming College, we have our courtside reporter, Eliza.
Just marvelous scene and Rick, and happy Sunday to all of our volleyball and basketball fans watching us here at the GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And now to give us a powerful start, here with us again, jersey number 30, Mr. Joshua Hamyas. Hi, good afternoon. Your last game with NCF Tigers was so powerful. So matanong ko lang ngayon, what is your primary defensive assignment this time for your team to slow them down? Kasi alam natin pareho na both of you guys are the pride of South Luzon.
For me po, nag-focus po kami sa defense talaga. yung mga key players nila, minarkahan na lang namin and may mga players kami naka-assign para sa kanila po.
Ito mabilisang game lang since magsisimula na tayo. Mabilisang message naman for NCF Tigers. Just a friendly message. Please go ahead.
Message lang po sa both teams mag-enjoy tayo lahat. Sana walang may injury, yun lang po.
I'm sure this would be a powerful and exciting matchup for NCF and the Flying Dragons. Let's witness how Flying Dragons will fly high this season. Back to you, Team Hendrik.
And thank you so much for that update. Lies on the side of the Guangming Flying Dragons. So yun nga, their key player, their standout player, one of the standout player on their side, it's Joshua Hamyas. Isa sa nagdala sa kanilang team dito sa ating championship. So yun nga, napakinggan nga natin dito na itong si Hamyas and their team is prepared. Pinag-aralan ang galaw ng NCF. May kanya-kanya silang assignments and let's see kung magiging effective ba dito ang kanilang game plan. Magbabalik po kami para simulan na ang ating first quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back here sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace para simulan na ang ating bakbakan between the GMC Flying Dragons and the NCF Tigers. So I'm so excited kung sino ba ang makakakuha ng kampyonato this afternoon.
Now let's hear the starting lineup of both teams and to know kung sino-sino nga ba ang mga players na makikita natin sa loob ng court between the UNC or the NCF Tigers versus the Guangming College.
Jersey number 17, Samson. Jersey number 35, Akinyede. Jersey number 1, Apiculera. Jersey number 8, Perenas. Jersey number 9, Loktautau. Jersey number 13, Lozada. Jersey number 24, Balisi. Jersey number 61, Topacio. Jersey number 26, Arnejo. Jersey number 5, Darden. Jersey number 30, Jamias. jersey number 23, Basco, jersey number 20, Natividad, jersey number 21, Auxilio, jersey number 19, Surya, jersey number 4, Silvio. And now we have the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Jersey number 00, Rialo, jersey number 1, Palillo, jersey number 4, Balidoy, jersey number 24, Arenzana, jersey number G, Lavandero, jersey number 20, Mase, jersey number 91, Binluan, jersey number 10, Nueva, jersey number 88, Malahe, jersey number 62, Guades, jersey number 17, Ramos, jersey number 18, Chimo, jersey number 25, Palane, jersey number 34, Timothy, jersey number 14, Pelias, jersey number 22, Rico, jersey number 3, Teodemero, and jersey number 11, Diamante. And let the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, the final game, begin!
And now, yun na po ang ating mga players from the side of NCF Tigers and GUANG College. Well, simula pa po ng ating elimination round up until the finals, nakita natin kung paano maglaro itong ating dalawang kupunan. On the side of GUANG College, of course, the standout players like Pareñas,
For our GUANG College's Flying Dragons, first five,
Latao-Tao,
jersey number 30. Yes!
Yun na nga po ang ating starting lineup on the side of GUANG College. We have Pareñas, Akinede, Darden, Pecolera, and Hamias. Well, this is a strong lineup for the side of GUANG College. Now let's see, starting lineup naman sa side ng NCF Tigers na kanilang makakatapat ngayong hapon na to.
And now thank you so much to all our live viewers na nakatutok sa atin dito sa ating championship match ng 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Number 24, Arenzana, jersey number 10, Nueva, jersey number 68, Guades, and jersey number 18, Chimo.
Now that's the starting lineup naman dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. We have Guades, Arenzana, Chimo, Palillo, and Nueva. So now, kanino nga ba unang mapupunta ang magandang momentum ng ating first quarter? Now, NCF Tigers, Palillo, dire-diretso, no good. Akinada without rebound. Now, this really the start of our first quarter. Nung nagharap sila sa elimination round, GUANG College po ang nakakuha ng panalo. And right now on that second chance point for Akinade, he gets it.
Now the ball possession goes on the side of the NCF Tigers. Nueva with the ball. Looking for his teammate here, Palillo. Guades tend to shoot. Guades with that attempt unsuccessful, but the ball possession goes on the side of the Flying Dragons.
Well, they need to start good para ma-build yung momentum nila dito. And right now, GUANG College having that first point. Now ball possession of their team. Pecolera against Chimo, but Guades was there to steal it. 20 seconds to shoot here. Palillo looking for his teammate. Back to Guades. Guarded by Pareñas. 14 seconds to shoot. Chimo to Nueva. Tries for a three-pointer. No good.
And now, Pecolera with that rebound. Another opportunity for them to add their 2-point. Pareñas to Pecolera on that corner for 3. No good. Chimo for that rebound. NCF still looking for their first point dito sa ating laro. So again, this is very crucial for these both teams. Talagang kailangan dito umpisahan ng malakas ng dalawang koponan if they really want to get this win, this championship title sa ating second South Luzon.
Yes, well, fresh from the win pa itong ating GUANG College from the semi-final round against ACC Green Serpents. Napakaganda na pinakita nila ditong performance, but right now, Hamias with that big 3 points.
Again on your screen, Hamias. According to him nga on that interview with Eliza, talagang handa sila at pinag-aralan dito yung galaw nitong NCF. So looking forward for this game plan na sinabi dito ni Hamias on their side. And a foul was called to Darden on that last sequence. Nueva bibigyan dito ng 2 shots on the side of the Tigers.
Now, Nueva. 2 free throws. Medyo maiksi lang yung pahinga dito ng GUANG College on their win against ACC Green Serpents, but it's a good thing na maaga yung naging warm-up nila dito. Nueva for his second free throw. No good. Now, an opportunity for GUANG College. Pecolera with the ball. Guarded by Nueva. He loses it. Guadas ngayon nagmamadali against 𝐒𝐷. He waited for Nueva there. Now Palillo fires up for 3. No good. Hamias with that rebound. A deflection here by Palillo. Another turnover for GUANG College. Guadas. 17 seconds to shoot. Arenzana against Darden. Now Nueva. What will he do at this moment? Pecolera was there to guard it.
Hamias with the ball. Goes inside. Unsuccessful on the attempt. But the ball will stay on the side of their team. Gimo loses that. 5-3 is our score. Wow. Mangangalahati na tayo sa ating first quarter, but the scoreboard hindi gumagalaw. 5-3. What a game. It means napakaganda ng depensa between these two teams.
Now let's see here with the ball possession of GUANG College. Pareñas to Darden. And there's a foul against Arenzana. So Darden will be given 2 free throws here. Ang sabi mo nga, Rick, low scoring tayo dito sa ating first quarter dahil grabe yung depensa pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers as well as ng GMC Flying Dragons. Now Realo checks in. One of the shooters on the side of NCF Tigers. First basket was good. Still having that 3-point gap. Pero maaga-aga pa po to know who really deserve, or well, they both deserve to have this championship. Pero sino nga ba yung talagang determinado to get it?
And a great steal coming from Surya, and wow, with that steal sinundan ito ng kanyang beautiful layup. What a performance! And look at that. Another turnover on the side of the NCF Tigers. So this time medyo nagugulo dito yung game plan itong NCF because of the performance on the side of the GUANG Flying Dragons. Talagang kitang-kita natin dito na ayaw patawirin on that side itong NCF. So let's see, Surya to inbound. Topacio for 3, and wow, a back-to-back point conversion on the side of their team. 3 points coming from Topacio, and with that, Coach Brian Ayo will press that timeout button because look at that score, 12-3 coming from that very dikit na score Guangming College, talagang they are trying to get the momentum on their side dito sa ating first quarter. So far, so good for their team.
Well, aside from the good offense, tight defense din yung pinapakita dito ng Guangming College. So, it really works hand in hand, the offense and the offense right here. Kaya naman, 9 na puntos agad yung na-build dito ng Guangming College. So, right now, with that timeout on the side of NCF Tigers, ano kaya yung gagawin dito ni Coach Brian for his game plan to work dito sa ating first quarter? 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining, but right now it's a good start for Guangming College, but no room for complacency, everyone. This is the finals of Second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, kaya naman ibibigay nila yung lahat. So let's see, after this timeout, will NCF Tigers do something to flip up this momentum?
Yes, you've mentioned it. No room for complacency on the side of Guangming College because we know kung paano trumabaho itong NCF Tigers. That's why if you are on the side of the Guangming College Flying Dragons, you need to be consistent. Every ball possession counts. That's why be extra careful. Lessen the errors and the turnovers. And now NCF has the chance here to lessen the gap. Guades to Arenzana. And a foul was called to Surya.
Well, the man-to-man defense coming from the side of Guangming College. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF. Still looking for a point here. Chimo with the ball. Passes to Guades. 9 seconds to shoot. Now Palillo fires up. So nobody that's outside shooting while they're trying doon sa ating naunang mga minuto. They're trying on that outside shooting pero hindi gumagana. As far as I remember, their fight against Olivares College last night, ang daming pinaulan na tres dito ni Guades. And even Jimo, napakaganda ng performance na pinakita niya. Even first quarter pa lamang. But right now, ito yung hinahanap natin sa side ng NCF Tigers. But Arenzana on that rebound. Jimo naman ngayon. A lot of opportunities and Chimo ended.
Arnau with the ball. Taking their time. Oh, passing to Topacio. Surya on that corner for 3 and wow, a basket count with a foul.
A 4-point play para dito kay Surya. Look at that with our instant replay. The same position.
Wow. At this point, the GMC Flying Dragons is very deadly when it comes to their offense and defense.
Now Surya, an opportunity here, but misses it. Now NCF Tigers on the offense right now, looking for a momentum here. Big 10-point lead for our first quarter. Pereda with the ball. Passes to Arenzana against 𝐿𝐴𝐷𝐷𝐷. Look at that defense of Guangming. 10 seconds to shoot. Pereda. Denied by Lozada.
𝐿𝐴𝐷𝐷𝐷 on that corner again for 3 and again. What a great 3-pointers.
Wow, they're firing up threes here. Looks like NCF needs to double their effort right now. Pereda. Passes to Arenzana. 12 seconds to shoot. 𝐿𝐴𝐷𝐷𝐷 guarding Arenzana right now. 5 seconds. Chimo. Nasa baba di alintana ang gwardya ng GMC Flying Dragons.
A very much needed point on the side of the Tigers again, but this time hindi ito pumasok. Now, Palillo with the ball. They need a point at this moment. Jimo guarded by Lozada. Palillo ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. And look at that!
But an offensive foul. To Chimo. So a lost opportunity here. Look at that intense defense coming from both sides. But GUANG College looking good, both on the offense and on their defense. There's some physical contacts here from the side of GUANG and NCF Tigers. The tension for our first quarter is really firing up, just like the threes of GMC.
18-7 is our score. 2 minutes and 54 seconds remaining for the first quarter.
Now let's see here as we continue this first quarter of the game. Lazada to inbound. 18-7, that's a big gap of GMC Flying Dragons here. Anejo with the ball. Guarded by Rialo. 20 on the shot clock. Anejo to Lazada. Passes to Tapasio. A three-pointer. No good this time. Surya with that rebound. Now, Arnejo. 10 shoot. Almost lose that ball.
Chimo gets that three-ball on their side. Palillo with the ball. Passing it to Rialo for three. No good. And a foul. Foul was called to Topacio on that last, or rather Laktaw-Tao on that last sequence.
Now 14 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF. Pujeda to inbound. 18-7. They're stuck on 7 points here. NCF needs to do something. Passes to Palahe. Now Rialo with the ball. Pujeda, what will he do? 8 seconds to shoot. Tries for a three-pointer. No good. Too much power on that pass. Silvio checking in on the side of GMC. Now Pujeda on the other side of the court to inbound. 18-7. 3 minutes and 4 seconds remaining here for our first quarter. Again, this is the finals of our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Palahe will try behind the line, no good. Silvio with that rebound. GMC taking up their time here. Ooh, physical contacts there. Well, one of the player of GMC Arnejo is down after that contact with Palahe. And the coaching staff of GMC Flying Dragons having discussions with our officials.
$27 is our score. Still, GMC Flying Dragons dominating this quarter. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Before the game resume, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Joshua Di Puyart, Rosel Sumagi, Rodjan Borsione, Jaslyn Del Valle, kay Cyril Dalora, kay Marlu Lazarte, Sheena Sophie Tamondes, kay Joshua Dipuyat at kay Jomel Valencia. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Well, the officials will review the task sequence between Arnejo and Palahe on what really happened and what will be the decision of our officials with that last sequence. But right now, GMC Flying Dragons having that 13-point gap. This is a big gap for this first quarter. But again, they need to protect that gap if they really want to snatch the win and get the championship here. But on the side of NCF Tigers, what will be the adjustment of Coach Brian Ayo, since the defense medyo nahihirapan sila pumasok dito sa loob because of Guangming College na pinapakita doon. So let's wait for the confirmation of our officials. So let's wait here because our official is still having a discussion with the head coach of GMC, Coach John Paul.
Back to the ball game. The ball possession goes on the side of Tigers. Headed to inbound. Palahe, tatawid ang bola. Passing ito po Heda. Taking their time here, 10 to shoot, loses that. Realo on that jumper, no good. And now the ball possession.
Now, Buheda is down sa side ng NCF Tigers.
Now, let's wait on the call of our officials here.
Now, 2 free throws will be given to Jimo. Well, he seems quiet on the offense. Pero, pagdating naman sa defense, itong si Jimo, one of the trusted players on the side of NCF. No good on his first free throw. Now, let's see for his second. That's good. Now GMC on the offense. Heavily guarded here, double team para dito kay Picolera. Passes to Samson. No good. Offensive rebound. Samson once again too short. But a whistled foul on jersey number 88, Palahe. So there will be free throws to be given to Samson. Samson first free throw. That's good. Well, when it comes to free throw percentage on the side of GMC, mataas yung kanilang pinapakita dito. Just a few mistakes and misses. But they really make sure that all their free throws will get in. Now, second free throw of Samson. That's good. The NCF on the offense. They're still down here by double digit. Pueda. Passes to Palahe. Palahe goes inside, passes to Gmo, loses it. They're giving opportunities to GMC here to widen that gap.
Again, NCF Tigers, they really need 100% here, a double effort for them to be able to catch this big gap. And now it's the chance again on the side of Guangming College para palobohin pa dito yung kalamang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. Pareñas with the ball. And a foul was called to Pueda on that last sequence. And with that, another free throw opportunity will be given on the side of Flying Dragons because again, they are now on the penalty situation. So every one wrong move, it will lead into a free throw opportunity.
Now Pareñas. Second free throw. That's good.
Nueva with the ball, guarded by Samson. Look at that defense team. Gmo will try. Couldn't get that ball on their side, but a foul was called to 𝐒𝐲𝐄. Yes, a foul was called to 𝐒𝐲𝐄 on that last sequence. And now on the penalty situation, these both teams, so yun nga, they need to be extra careful with their moves. They need to lessen the errors and turnovers.
Now Gmo for his second free throw here. 24-9. They're down by 15 points. Gmo. That's good. Now GMC Flying Dragons on the offense. Pareñas creating a play here. Pareñas goes inside against Gmo. Pero stepping on the line of that. So that will be a turnover here. Guardas to inbound, passes to Palahe. The backcourt defense here coming from GMC, double team Lozada.
Wow. And an offensive foul was called to Nueva on that last sequence. Now, another opportunity on the side of Flying Dragons. So, as we can observe at this moment, NCF Tigers always giving opportunity on their opponents with their turnovers. And now, chance again on the GMC side to add 24 points here. Pareñas passing into Basco. The ball remains on their side. 7 seconds on the shot clock and 43 seconds on the game clock.
7 seconds to shoot on the side of GMC Pareñas.
And a great steal coming from the NCF that leads to a beautiful layup. And with that, a 2 points was added on their side.
Now Lozada is down. So there was a foul to jersey number 88, Palahe. So there will be a review here. Remaining 29 seconds sa ating first quarter, and Lozada is down Well, when it comes to defense, isa talaga sa mapagkakatiwala itong si Lozada. So let's see on that the decision of our referees and what really happened after this review. (24-12). 12-point lead of GMC Flying Dragons. Well, from the very start of our first quarter, they have the momentum here. They really set it. First minute pa lang ng ating first quarter, and right now, with the remaining 29 seconds, GMC Flying Dragons still protecting that big gap against NCF Tigers. So let's see if they will maintain this momentum up until the end of this matchup and claim the victory against NCF Tigers. But let's see, there's still a lot of things that can happen for this matchup. Can NCF Tigers lessen that gap, or they will let GMC go home with a win? But of course, we would like to thank our dearest viewers sa ating Facebook Live, kay Loris Clemente, Rojan Morcione, at kay Joshua Bituyard. Now, an unsportsmanlike foul was given to jersey number 88, Palahe. So there will be 2 free throws plus ball possession will be given on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. Now Lozada, 2 free throws will be given to him. Again, a ball possession pa after this unsportsmanlike foul called on jersey number 88, Palahe. That's good. Well, that's his third personal foul of Palahe. Nasa first quarter pa lamang tayo. Lozada, second free throw. Short. .14 to shoot on the side of GMC. Now, look at our fans. Basket to inbound, 14 seconds to shoot. And a steal coming from Nueva. A basket and a basket and a foul. Look at that instant replay here as Nueva was inside the basket here. So a chance for a 3-point play.
And of course, I would like to commend the presence of all the live audiences here inside the UNC Sports Palace. Thank you so much for making it to the championship matchup between these 2 great teams, the Guangming College Flying Dragons and the NCF Tigers. So talagang napakaganda at napakainit ng bakbakan between these 2 great teams. Sa mga gusto pa pong humabol makanood dito sa loob ng ating venue, feel free to visit this UNC Sports Palace.
No. Nueva, second free throw here. 23 seconds remaining for our first quarter. No good. Guadas with that rebound. No hesitation, but didn't go through.
Now, 18 seconds remaining for this first quarter, and GMC Flying Dragons with the ball possession. Arnejo guarded by Nueva here, passing it to Topacio, or rather Pareñas.
.8 counts remaining here. But still, the GMC securing that pickup against NCF Tigers. Well, let's see kung makapuntos pa ba sila dito sa natitirang 8 millisecond of our first quarter. Now Nueva to inbound. The defense of GMC Flying Dragons is exemplary. So now it is really paying off starting first quarter. They're still securing the floor so that there will be no incidents that will happen. Now Nueva, point 8. Ball possession of NCF. Realo. Looks like they didn't know that the time. Konti na lang. But we ended the first quarter with a score of 25-14 in favor of GMC Flying Dragons. We will be back for the second quarter of this final game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we are back inside the UNC Sports Palace for the continuation of our second quarter ng laban ng NCF Tigers versus GUANG College. Ang haba pala nung naging first quarter. Ang dami nangyari sa quarter na yon. Kaya naman talagang tutok lamang po kayo because any minute or every minute is important para sa laban ng GUANG and NCF. Now, we ended the first quarter with a score of 25-14. So let's see dito sa ating second quarter anong pambawi ng NCF Tigers to lessen that gap, get the momentum here, and have a lead against GMC Flying Dragons. And ano namang gagawin ng GMC Flying Dragons dito to maintain their momentum and their game? Now 𝐒𝐿𝐴, look at that ball transition here to Pasio. Pero there's a whistled foul. Pero ang ganda nung naging ball transition dito sa side ng GMC. Now 𝐒𝐲𝐶 on that free throw line. No good. Now he needed that second free throw. Still no good. Now, Balane, andito na sa loob ng court, passes to Nueva. Now Gmo against 𝐒𝐲𝐶. No good, but a second chance point because Aaron Sano was there pushing his way in. Now Arnejo to 𝐒𝐲𝐶. Good pass. Poor execution. GMC still looking for their first basket sa ating second quarter. Guadas with the ball. 9 minutes, 8. Guadas to Nueva, 10 seconds to shoot. Long three. No good. 𝐒𝐲𝐶 with that rebound. Arnejo pushing us in. Pero with that tapik ni 𝐒𝐲𝐶, that tip of 𝐒𝐲𝐶 pushes their first basket this second quarter.
Balane with the ball. Time to shoot. Passing it to Nueva, guarded by Jamyes. Offensive rebound and a 2 points was added on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Wow, this is a good start for NCF Tigers sa ating second quarter. Back-to-back points. So now, anong gagawin ng GMC Flying Dragons to get back their momentum? To hear that update, andyan po si Eliza.
Dean and Rick, this is indeed a contagious energy from the Flying Dragons. Every time they head back to the floor, kitang-kita sa kanila that they aren't just playing for the lead. They are playing for each other. This is such an intense gameplay. Every point and every instruction from their coach has been vocal and sharp. They just need to be disciplined at this point. With this kind of confidence, no wonder they are dominating the game. This time, they shifted their techniques and the atmosphere now has already shifted. Let's see what will happen for now. Back to you, Dean and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much for that. So, tamang-tama nga dito si Eliza with the GMC Flying Dragon. And look at that, a back-to-back points coming from them. We can feel the energy talaga with their team. Talagang they're unstoppable from the very start. And right after makakuha ng back-to-back points dito ng NCF, ito na naman ang GMC Flying Dragons, umaarangkada, umaariba para makakuha ng kalamangan.
Now NCF Tigers on the offense looking for a point here. Balane! Basket count with a foul. Whoa, what an intense second quarter here. Let's take a look at that inside replay as Balane goes inside against GMC Flying Dragons. He gets that basket with a foul. So now a chance for a three-point play. But kudos din doon sa mga ball transition, the passing and the assist on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. Sunod-sunod yung kanilang pinakita dito. The connection of the team is really visible. So right now, let's hear it from the side naman ng NCF Tigers on their changes sa ating second quarter. Kate, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Dean. We are seeing a real chess match here. The GMC are showing their elite conditioning, running their set, playing with pinpoint accuracy. But ang ating team, NCF Tigers, they're not backing down. Nakikita natin ang kanilang aggressive defense. Pero sabi ni Coach, huwag magpapakampate sa larong to. It's a battle of system versus strength. Neither team wants to give up an early lead. Yan muna ang update for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Dean.
Thank you so much for that, Kate. So yun nga, huwag magpapadala sa emosyon and kailangan ditong mag-focus. Mag-focus nitong NCF Tigers. And a back-to-back points ata, pero no! Jamyes with that block.
But there was a contact. But the officials will review that once again. Grabe yung mga happenings dito sa ating second quarter. Patikim pa lang pala yung first quarter na nakita natin. Mahaba-habang second quarter na naman ang ating matutunghayan ngayon. Wow, for the fast transition on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. Scoring after scoring on the side of NCF Tigers. And now, deflecting those efforts. Grabe yung performance ng ating dalawang team. They really deserve to be on the finals. Most especially, ang haba din ng kanilang nilaro dito. Simula ng Friday, Saturday, Sunday, walang pahinga po ang ating mga players. But look at this. This is really a championship-worthy game.
Yes. Kitang-kita natin sa intensity dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace. Wow. What a game. I'm sure sulit na sulit yung panonood ng mga audiences here inside the UNC Sports Palace. And of course, the audiences on our live coverage, the live in our Facebook page, talagang kitang-kita natin dito yung support coming from yung mga gusto nilang supportan ditong teams, especially this Guangming College Flying Dragons fans na nanonood all the way from Tagaytay. Kitang-kita ang suporta through online commenting. Talagang thank you so much for your presence and happy watching.
Yes, kahit malayo man po, ramdam na ramdam ng Guangming College yung inyo pong suporta sa kanilang kupunan. Kaya yun din yung dala-dala nila dito as they're now on the finals. So let's see if ano nga ba yung mga susunod pang mangyayari dahil napaka-exciting talaga ng larong ito. Nakikita naman po natin na talagang grabe yung effort na ipinapakita ng NCF Tigers as well as Guangming College. So let's see. They are enjoying the game. At the same time, they are putting a lot of effort, their 100% effort for this game.
Yes, and of course, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Sundaze Hotel, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Summit
Resort. We have Digital Grapix, NCF-College of Health Sciences. We also have Claypot Cafe, Win Radio 107.9, at marami pa pong iba. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. So walang sawang pagsuporta po dito sa ating mga ligang binabahagi po ng Oragon Sports TV. Well, this is not the last league na i-cover ng Oragon Sports TV. Ang dami pa po kaming ihahatid ng mga laban sa inyo. Kaya naman talagang kung hindi pa po kayo naka-follow sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, follow na po kayo. So upon the review of our officials, the basket is good on the side of NCF Tigers. So right now, the ball possession ay nasa side na po ng GMC Flying Dragons. Now Hamias to inbound. 6 minutes and 7 seconds remaining here on our second quarter. Parañas with the ball. No good on that attempt. NCF on the run. Palillo passes to Rialo. Tapik. Ball possession of GMC Flying Dragons here.
Pareñas, inbound that one. Itatabi ng bola on their side. Passing it to 𝐏𝐿𝐷𝗚. Back-to-back still for both teams. Passing it to Hamias. 10 to shoot. And a three-pointer. Unsuccessful. Balano with that rebound. Passing it to Jimo.
Well, Gimo having that one-on-one with Pareñas, the height difference. But still, walang takot itong si Pareñas to guard Gimo. We're almost halfway dito sa ating second quarter. So Gimo will be on that free throw line. Dalawang free throw po ang ibibigay dito kay Gimo. Now Gimo for his free throw. Of course, just a quick shoutout lang din po dito sa ating mga nanonood ng live, kay Wilma Provera, kay Kyla Garcia, kay Jav, kay Ramerson Ambat, kay Cyril Dolora, Hazel Sigua, kay John Christopher Romualdo, Neil Magbanwa, Blast Rona, Alexis Sandino, at kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now an 8-point lead of GMC Flying Dragons here. Still dominating this quarter. Now, this is their ball possession. Arnejo with the ball. 20 to shoot. 𝐿𝐶𝐷𝐿𝐶. Passes to Pareñas. Passes to 𝐿𝐶𝐷𝐿𝐶. A three-pointer. A clean basket here. No call from the referees. Now Palilio. Tapik ni Pareñas, so the ball will stay on the side of NCF Tigers.
What a great steal coming from Basco. Basco to Pareñas. Lozada to Arnejo for 3 and another one. Wow. Walang sabit. Napakalinis na 3-pointer coming from the GMC Flying Dragon.
Well, in our first quarter, nagpaulan din dito ng tres sa GMC Flying Dragons, and they're back at it again. 𝐿𝐶𝐷𝐿𝐶 and then Arnejo. All of the players of GMC Flying Dragons, actually, you can really trust them, may it be on the defense or the offense side of their team. Ang ganda din ng kanilang ball transition dito. The connection between the players really looks like they're playing as one. It's very important since this is a team game. So, let's wait on the side of NCF Tigers. Naghahabol pa rin sila dito. 11-point lead ang hawak ng GMC Flying Dragons.
And now it's their ball possession. Arnejo with the ball. Passing it to Akin Yede. Pareñas this time. Time to shoot. Muntik pang magawa ng bola. 10 seconds to shoot. The ball stays on the side of the glowing Flying Dragon.
Bumabot yung naman talaga kasi doon si Pareñas. So there's a timeout called here. 39-28. Ang ating score ngayon.
39-29 is our score. 4 minutes and 6 seconds remaining for our first half. What an intense game. You know what, paulit-ulit ko nang sinasabi dito yung intense na word because talagang ramdam na ramdam natin dito yung intensity inside the court between these two teams. Talagang parehong kupunan, ayaw magpatalo. So let's see with this remaining 4 minutes and 6 seconds kung kanino mapupunta ang napakagandang momentum. Because right now, we've seen a lot of exchange of points. So let's see with this remaining time if the Guangming College Flying Dragons will get the momentum or the NCF babawi dito.
Well, very consistent yung Guangming College sa pinapakita nilang performance from the start of our elimination round. All the teams na nakalaban nila, hindi sila nalamangan ng kahit isang puntos lamang. But right now, actually, yung ating semi-final round with the ACC Green Serpents, doon lang talaga as indicate yung kanilang laban. But during the elimination round of the second South Luzon, yung mga nakalaban nilang kupunan dito, NCF Tigers, UNC Greyhounds, and even the Faith Colleges, hindi nakalamang dito sa side ng Guangming College. So right now, let's see kung ito nga bang NCF Tigers ang pangalawang team na titibag sa depensa at opensa ng Guangming College.
Let's see, and let's wait. And I want to mention that if Guangming College Flying Dragons wins this one, talagang masisweep nila itong second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. So what a great game plan and game para dito sa kanilang koponan. But if the NCF wins this one, isa din sa napakaganda yung journey dito sa ating second South Luzon, coming from 0 losses and right now nasa championship. So very commendable team itong dalawang koponan, match na match para dito sa ating championship.
Now the Oregon with the ball. With that spin but a block by Jimo. NCF Tigers. Rialo outside. A clear basket. Ano babawi dito ng GMC Parañas. He almost slipped. 12 seconds to shoot. Parañas goes inside. Basket count with a foul for 𝐒𝐷. Lumalapit na sana yung score dito ng NCF Tigers, but right after their point, GMC Flying Dragons converting also a point. So hindi nila hinahayaan na lumapit yung puntos dito ng NCF Tigers. They're consistent with their performance from the very start.
And I would like to comment on that last point conversion. Parañas, napakaganda. Talagang pumasok siya sa loob and then finding 𝐒𝐷. And 𝐒𝐷 delivers. Samahan pa yan ng foul. So, great opportunity for them to widen the gap para dito sa ating laro.
Yes, before anything else, we would like to thank yung ating breakfast po kanina. Galing po yan sa Carl's Catering na matatagpuan po sa The Clubhouse, Jardine Real de Naga Subdivision, Concepcion Grande, Naga City. Ang soy satay naman po galing sa 43 Mayon Avenue, Core, Sierra Madre Dayangdag, Naga City, Philippines. At ang aming lunch naman po ay galing sa Maswate Foods owned by Miss Lorraine Ramos and 3L Bakery. Maraming salamat po. Yan po yung naging pagkain ng ating mga staff and of course ng ating mga players. But right now, back to the ballgame here. Jimo stays on the side of NCF Tigers. And a time will score on the side of NCF Tigers. And a 10-point lead. Ang hawak pa rin po dito ng GMC Flying Dragons. So every opportunity talagang strategize dito ni Coach Brian Ayo since his team is down by 10 points. 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Just like no ating first quarter, parang ang tagal din ng duration ng ating first quarter. Ang daming nangyayari dito, but still kahit ang daming nangyayari, exciting pa rin panoodin dahil both teams giving their 100% for this game. Now back to the ball game here for this matchup of NCF Tigers and
Now 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining for our first half. 42-32 is our score. And we will back sa ating bakbakan inside the hard court between these two great teams. Now, the ball possession stays on the side of the Naga College Foundation Tigers with 7 seconds to shoot. Ojeda to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Passing it to Palillo. On that corner for 3, no good. Surya with the ball. Passing it to Topacio. And now, let's see anong gagawin dito ng kanilang kupunan. Basco. Asking for a screen. Jumper, unsuccessful. Arenzano with the rebound. NCF has the ball possession.
Now Palillo with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot. Passes inside to Chimo. Denied by 𝐒𝐷. Now GMC Flying Dragons on the offense. Loses that ball, Nueva. Now to Ojeda. Chimo. Again to Ojeda. There's a whistled foul against the GMC players here. Jersey number 19. Ojeda. Misses that first free throw. Let's see for his second free throw. 2 minutes and 18 seconds remaining here. 42-32. Still misses. Now 𝐒𝐷 with that rebound. GMC Flying Dragons. The domination of their team here. Nawala doon si Ojeda. Topacio. What an offensive foul. Given to jersey number 35, 𝐒𝐷. That's his second personal foul. Now NCF Tigers on the offense. Chimo. Waiting for his teammates. Ojeda. 20 to shoot. Chimo against 𝐒𝐷. Body against body. Nueva. 10 seconds. Forcing his way in.
Basco with the ball. Guarded by Palillo, and a steal coming from Palillo. But unfortunately, hindi dito nakakuha ng puntos. A back-to-back steal coming from the NCF Tigers. One more chance for them. Jimo. A basket count sa matay ng foul. What a move coming from Jimo.
The performance of Chimo. Look at that instant replay. Grabe yung naging changes dito kay Chimo. From someone na napanood talaga yung naging start ni Chimo dito sa NCF Tigers. Grabe yung kanyang in-improve sa loob ng court. Yung kanyang shooting and even the defense. Let's see. Bonus free throw. Misses it. 42-36. That's a 6-point lead of GMC. From a big 15-point lead now just down to 6 points. Darden. No good. Chimo with that rebound. 18 seconds to shoot. Another basket count with a foul. The same scenario just like just a while ago. And now, before we end the second quarter, nilapit naman talaga ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang puntos dito against GMC. They will not let GMC get the championship with that ease. Now 𝐒𝐲 with the ball. 49 seconds remaining for our second quarter. 𝐒𝐲 against Nueva. Nueva with that foul. And a timeout was called on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. What a performance on that last minutes of our second quarter from the side of NCF Tigers. Yung first half ng second quarter, it's all on the side of GMC Flying Dragons, while the other half, NCF Tigers, they own it. So right now with this timeout of Coach John Paul, what will be the adjustment on the side of GMC Flying Dragons, because they're just protecting 4 points here. From 15 points to 4 points. And there will be a chance that in the remaining 43 seconds, we will have a tie. So there's a lot of things that can happen here. So, you better watch out. Now back to the ball game here. Again, 43 seconds remaining. 42-38 in favor of GMC Flying Dragons. Ball possession of their team with 14 seconds to shoot. And of course, we would like to commend the support of NCF Tigers inside the UNC Sports Palace and the support also of our GMC fans sa ating live coverage. Maraming salamat po. Now, deflection coming from Palillo but stepping on the line. .40 seconds remaining. Guangming College on the offense. 𝐿𝐶𝐷𝐷𝐷 with that inbound. Back to 𝐿𝐶𝐷𝐷𝐷. Passes to Pareñas. 19 to shoot against Pujeda. Aquinede. 14 to shoot here. Pareñas goes inside. Floater's good. With a foul. Now Pareñas. Free throw. That's good. 45-38. 23 seconds remaining here. Last ball possession. Aransana, look at that defense of 𝐿𝐶𝐷𝐷𝐷. Pujeda nagmamadali dito. Passes to Nueva. 17 to shoot. Taking their time. Nueva trying to go inside against Surya. 6 seconds. Too short. Aquinede with our rebound. But Aransana still no good. 45-38, a 7-point gap of GMC Flying Dragons for our first half. There will be more actions only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Walang makakatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw ang 𝐒𝐿𝐷𝗕 College, participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po 𝐒𝐲𝐶 sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
Tantan Apartelle, official residents of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na Aldaw Olivares College, Parañaque City. Participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Tantan Apartelle.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now. Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion. Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, official residents of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na Aldaw Faith Colleges, Tanawan City, Batangas. Participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City.
Dagos po kamo sa Summit Resort and Sports Hub.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
The new Bachelor of Science in Interior Design degree at the University of Nueva Caceres is tailored for students passionate about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interior spaces. This program at the University of Nueva Caceres is set to launch this semester, marking a revolutionary step in bringing the art of design to the heart of the Bicol region. The program combines elements of art, design, psychology, and architecture to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of interior design principles. Students will have the chance to explore various design styles, materials, and technologies, allowing them to develop their creativity and design expertise. Through hands-on projects and internships, students will learn how to transform interior spaces while considering factors such as sustainability, accessibility, and user experience. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be prepared to pursue careers as professional interior designers in residential, commercial, hospitality, and other design sectors.
Sundaze Hotel, official residents of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na Aldaw Guangming College of Tagaytay City, participants in the 2nd South Luzon
Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo, igdi sa Sundaze Hotel.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
We are back here sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace for our second half. Again, the matchup between GUANG College Flying Dragons versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Who will get the win for this championship match?
Well, as for our halftime analysis during this match against NCF Tigers and GUANG College, doon sa turnovers, medyo napadami dito yung GUANG College. Kaya yun, kailangan nilang i-lesson dito. While on their second chance points, yun naman yung naging palaban dito ng GUANG College and their defense as well as their offense. So let's see after this first half, naging adjustment on both teams, most especially on the side of NCF Tigers because they are down by 7 points. Now, NCF's basketball, look at that defense of Parañas. Passes to Nueva. 12 seconds to shoot. Now, Chivo taking up their time. He hesitated, but still did it. Too much power on that pass. So, another turnover. Actually, ito pala yung sinasabi natin kanina. Ang daming turnover yung na-record dito sa side ng GUANG College right now. Unang pasok ng second half, turnover para sa GMs.
Again, Parañas with his tight defense. And to hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Kate. Kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and team. The court is roaring and the intensity just went up. Pumabawi ang ating NCF Tigers. Their speeding and passing is top-notch. The NCF Tigers are pushing the pace inside the hard court. Sinisiguro ang bawat depensa because one mistaken leads to an instant fast break. Despite sa pasunod-sunod na puntos ng kalaban, the Tigers are staying composed with their ball movements pa rin na rin sa kanilang rotation. Yan muna ang update for now. Balik sa inyo, Rick and team.
Thank you so much, Kate. And now composure on the side of NCF Tigers. And they will still give their all here for this matchup. Dalawang quarter pa yung ating matutunghayan dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. It's too early to tell kung sino nga ba yung makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na to. Now, GMC ball possession. Javias to inbound. Now, Parañas magtatawid dito ng bola. Passes to 𝐒𝐷. Now locked out now, 15 seconds to shoot. To 𝐒𝐷 against Chivo. Goes inside. He just lost that opportunity. Now Palilio with the ball. Tapek ni 𝐒𝐷. Ball stays on the side of NCF. Now, to hear an update from the side ng GUANG College, let's hear it from Eliza.
I know you can barely hear me over the cheer of the crowd because it's hard to ignore the power and the confidence of each player. Their momentum is at an all-time high. They're just keeping their foot on the gas. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang magandang nasimulan. Even during the timeouts, the coach are pulling the guys aside. Konting pep talk to keep them focused. They have different attack options right now. These guys are locked in, Tin and Rick. Big reminders from the coach. Don't get into foul trouble. Focus on transition defense and don't be lazy. Sabi pa ni coach, if you're not clear with pass, araruhin nyo na lang. Just be consistent and don't let them play their game. Yan muna ang balita dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Team Andre.
Ayan, thank you so much for that update. So yun nga, Guangming, they really need to work hard. And then sabi nga dito, ng head coach ng kanilang kupunan, talagang kung hindi kaya na daanin on a perfect passing, kailangan ditong magtrabaho, araruhin. Because again, nawawala na dito yung iniingatan nilang kalamangan. And look at that, a back-to-back points coming from the NCF Tigers. And with that, only single point ang kanilang kalamangan.
Ano kaya magiging sagot dito ng Guangming College? Locked out now to Hamias. 12 seconds to shoot. But that's an offensive foul for 𝐒𝐔𝐄𝐓. (45-44), a big chase coming from the side of NCF Tigers. Just a single point. They have that gap against GMC. Now Palilio against Arnejo. 17 to shoot. Passes to Aranzana. Back to Palilio. Goes inside. Passes to Nueva. Step back. That's good. And now the crowd is celebrating for that 1-point gap of NCF Tigers.
The table has turned on the side of the NCF Tigers. What would be the answer on the side of the Flying Dragons here? Topacio ngayon, may hawak ng bola. An attempt for 3, unsuccessful. Wala pa din dito.
One player of Guangming, I think this is Topacio. This is just some cramps, I think. And their assistant coach and his teammates helping him to relax. Now they will carry him onto the bench here. Well, Topacio, during that fight against, I think it was NCF Tigers or Faith Colleges, he really stand out sa team. So with his absence on this point, it may have a big impact, but knowing GMC Flying Dragons, they can execute it well even with the absence of some of their players. Now, ball possession of GMC, 45-46. A 1-point lead of NCF Tigers. Pecolera to inbound. 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining. Pecolera to inbound. The passes to 𝐒𝐒𝐄𝐓 looking for his teammate. Now Hamias, 10 seconds to shoot. Will try to go inside. Step back for a three-pointer. No good.
And now NCF for the basketball.
Look at that defense of both teams. Guadas secure that ball on the side of NCF. 8 seconds to shoot. Passes to Arenzana. Deflected. Ball is on the ground. Gimo. There was shot clock violation. They are really fighting for that ball, and it's very important at this point. Most especially, we are now on the very crucial point of the game. Close point at this moment, 45-46. NCF shouting for the defense. Now bats go to inbound. On the side of GMC Flying Dragons. Now Picolera with the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Darden passes to Lozada against Gimo. Jamias to try once again on the 3-point line. He still misses it. Well, after his outside shooting on the past quarters right now, he is still finding his rhythm to get it back. 10 seconds to shoot. On the side of NCF, Goddess to Gimo. Guarded by Lozada. Arenzana, 4 seconds. They need to look at their shot clock. Naubusan pa rin. That is the second time that the NCF Tigers hindi napansin yung kanilang shot clock dito. Now GMC Flying Dragons on the offense. Still looking for a point here to get back the lead. Pecolera against Juarez. Pecolera slips up. Passes to him. Yes! Misses it! Well, there's a lot of opportunities for Jamias, but it's the third time he misses it. Well, he needs to work on that shooting right now. Ito yung kailangan ngayon ng kanilang kupunan. No. NCF's basketball. It's the third time he misses that opportunity, Jamias. Full shot clock for NCF, 5-minute mark. Juarez to inbound, 45-46. We're halfway through this quarter. Look at that 3-2 defense of GMC. 12 seconds to shoot. Gimo against Lozada. Gimo goes inside, forcing his way in. Jamias without rebound.
Pecolera with the ball. They really need a point conversion at this moment. Lozada guarded here. Almost losing that one. Lozada with 3, and this time sinagot ng 3 dito ni Lozada.
Well, they needed that 3-pointer coming from Lozada after that missed opportunities. Now Palahi against Darden, forcing his way. Basket count with a foul. Now Surya will check in on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. So let's see here. 48. We are tied at 48 all. 𝐏𝐿𝐷𝗕 team captain checks in. Let's see here, Palaya with that free throw to get back that 1-point lead. Right now, it's anyone's basketball. No good. Now GMC on the run. 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐴 against Guadas. Heavily guarded. Tries, no good. 𝐒𝐲 with that rebound. Pala with that rebound. Passes to Palillo. 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐴 with a rebound. 48-48 on our third quarter. Basco on the corner for three. Too short. Denied once again. Fast-paced game for our third quarter. Palillo with the ball. They're calming down right now. And a steal coming from 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐴. And he gets it.
Wow. What a steal coming from 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐴. Very reliable para dito sa side ng GMC Flying Dragons.
One of the players of GMC Flying Dragons is down. This is the second time. So Samson will check in. Well, with a continuous game here of Guangming College, yung kanilang energy talaga dito, 100% pa rin, but hindi alintana din yung pagod ng ating mga players dito. So we hope that Topacio and the another player is okay. And the ball, or the basketball, still continues. Inside the court, we have Basco, Samson, Lactautau, 𝐒𝐒𝐿𝐴, and Aquinero on the side of Guangming. While on the other side, we have Rialo, Palillo, Guadas, Palahe, and 𝐒𝐲. Now 17 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF Tigers, 50-48 with that 2-point lead of GMC Flying Dragons. 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining here. Now Palillo passes to 𝐒𝐲. Back to Palillo. 13 to shoot. Floater. No good. Nagkagawa na dito sa rebound, but 𝐒𝐿𝐴 double team.
Wow. As the game progresses, so are the intensity inside this hard court. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for this third quarter.
Two minutes and 40. GMC Blue ball possession. Of course, we would like to thank to shout out our live viewers kay Alexis Sandino, kay Cristina Valenzuela, Jonathan Basalas, at kay Jameson Benya. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkantabay. Now there's a whistle foul here for jersey number 88 Palahe. That's his fourth personal foul, so he needs to be careful since we are just on our third quarter.
Yes, a lot of things can happen with this remaining time of match. 50-48 is our score. GMC Flying Dragons leading by 2 points, and it's their ball possession. Samson on that sideline inbound.
Picolera against Pueda. Passes on the corner. Samson. Floater's good. Now back to 4-point lead of GMC. Gimo to Pueda. 18 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Gimo with that screen. Pueda passes to Realo. But a miscommunication there. Another ball possession, another opportunity for GMC Flying Dragons to widen that gap. 𝐿𝐾𝐃 goes inside, dire-diretso dito, double team, passes to Basco. Basco naman ngayon, no good. 𝐿𝐾𝐃 offensive rebound, goes inside, fade away. 𝐒𝐫𝐷 for the third time, he gets it. Now, even with the absence ng kanilang mga players dito because of cramps, GMC Flying Dragons still fighting. Well, all of the players of GMC Flying Dragons actually talagang maganda yung performance na pinapakita nila dito. So kahit sinong ipasok, talagang they will make a good gameplay inside. So now for the NCF Tigers, they are down by 5 points. Now let's see his second free throw. 54-49. So there are some discussions with the officials and the team of NCF Tigers. So this will be the ball possession of GMC Flying Dragons. So, yung free throw na ginawa kanina ni Realo, hindi po yun pasok. So now GMC Flying Dragons on the offense. And a steal coming from Palillo. Pero pinalit ng GMC on their side. 𝐿𝐾𝐃 almost loses that ball. Passes to Parañas, to Samson. No good. 𝐒𝐫𝐷 without rebound. Parañas with the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. They need to take their time here. Every ball possession counts. Parañas in and out basket.
Last 59 seconds for this third quarter. And Gimo. Ball possession will stay on their side. Sayang yun para dito kay Gimo. And a timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. What are the adjustment of these both teams after this timeout? Because again, dikit pa din dito ang ating laban. Anything can happen with this 50 seconds remaining.
54-48 on our scoreboard. 6-point lead of GMC Flying Dragons. Again, 50 seconds remaining. Ang ganda nung pinapakita po ng ating dalawang kupunan. But on the other side, GMC Flying Dragons, dalawang player nga po nila. Yung ipinahinga muna nila dito. Of course, with the straight matches, talagang yung pagod ng mga players. But still, they're giving their best here since it's the championship on the line. And on the side naman ng NCF Tigers, even with the loss on against GMC Flying Dragons during that elimination round, tingnan nyo nga naman, dikdikat ang laban ng ating dalawang kupunan. They are really trying and fighting on the side of NCF Tigers to get the championship. So with us 50 seconds remaining, let's see what will happen. It's NCF's basketball with 14 seconds to shoot. What will be the adjustment on the side of the team of Coach Brian and the adjustment on the side of Coach John Paul. Now, NCF's ball possession. 14 seconds to shoot. Pujeda to inbound. Nueva with the ball, heavily guarded here. Pujeda. Gimo with that screen. Gimo will try. No good. Parañas with that rebound. Wrong pass. Nueva nakakuha nito. Palane for 3. Too short. Still no good for that second chance. But this time, Balane, after countless of opportunities, Balane puts a point there. 15 seconds. What will be the answer of GMC Akinyede? Parañas. No good. Parañas with the ball to Akinyede. But still a good third quarter right there. We ended it with a score of 54-50. Just a 4-point lead of GMC Flying Dragons. We will be back for the fourth and final quarter of this game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to...
And we are back inside the UNC Sports Palace. It's the final quarter of this final matchup of NCF Tigers versus the GUANG College Flying Dragons. And right now, as we are about to start our final quarter, just a few points away, itong putos ng NCF Tigers against Flying Dragons. So anything can happen. This is their last straw. This is their last quarter to fight and defend and to be on the top of this game. 54-50. Arenzana is still coming from 𝐒𝐷. Now, Pasco with the ball. Double team on the other corner. Arnejo, no good. Ball goes on the side of NCF.
Now NCF with the basketball here. Nueva tries for three. No good. Offensive rebound. Nueva passing it to Arenzana. And now Balane with 10 seconds to shoot. Lozada binabantayan dito. Ang NCF wala pa din. Pero the second chance point coming from Arenzana.
Well, kudas din kay Arenzana. Grabe yung trabaho niya dito sa baba ng ring. Yung kanyang depensa dito, second chance point. Talagang hindi niya binibitawan yung kanyang mga rebounds dito. So right now, GMC Flying Dragons with just 2-point lead. 𝐿𝐶𝐷 guarded by Balane. 7 seconds to shoot. Basket count with a foul. Natawagan nga dito ng foul si Balane. Hamayas checks in. While he needs redemption here, they need to double their effort now. Consistency is the key for this last quarter. Focus on the offense and defense. Ball transitions. No room for errors. 56-52. Now to hear an update on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. We have Eliza for that update.
The energy from this bench is far from defeated. There's visible sense of urgency at this point of the game. They aren't looking at the clock right now. They're looking at their next play. It's been a tough shooting afternoon for the squad, and you can see the frustration, yes, but you can also see a team that is refusing to let the lead grow. Players are huddling up on their own, correcting their game lapses, and once again, they're just keeping their foot on the gas. They have different tactics. They have different targets on the NCF side, and it's just about composure and not giving them the chance to shoot at this point. Let's see what will happen. For now, back to you, Team Andre.
And thank you so much for that update, Eliza. So yun nga, nasa fourth and final quarter na tayo. Nasa fourth at
8 minutes and 8, 56-52. 𝐒𝐷. No good on that free throw. Now let's see for his second free throw. Now let's see here for the second free throw of 𝐒𝐷. 56-52, 8 minutes and 8. And he gets it. Now a substitution here. Silvio checks in. An exchange of 𝐒𝐷. Pujeda to inbound. Passes to Rialo. Back to Pujeda. 20 seconds to shoot. Pujeda against Pecolera. Look at that defense of GMC. Passes to Nueva. Against Amias. 6 to shoot. A fake. No good. Gino with that rebound. Pero naubusan na ng oras dito. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of NCF-College.
Thank you, Rick and Dean. Things are getting heated here. The NCF Tigers are riding the energy of the crowds. Every time the Tigers get a steal at nakakapuntos, the UNC Palace is shaking. It is all about now the momentum. Both teams are showing signs of fatigue, but the heart of a champion is keeping them going. The game now is in critical. Every loose ball is war. Hindi na nagpapatinag ang NCF Tigers para makuha ang pagiging kampyonado. Balik ko na sa inyo, Rick and Dean.
Ayan, thank you so much. Tamang-tama nga yung pag-describe dito nitong si Kate na talagang dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace, talagang niyayanig tayo ng dalawang kupunan na ito because of the intensity inside this hard court. Grabe, very evident yung effort ng dalawang kupunan na magkaroon ng puntos. As we can see on our scoreboard, 5 points ang kalamangang hawak dito ng GMC Flying Dragons. So kung kanina meron tayong double-digit lead, this time NCF, paunti-unting kinakat dito yung lead na hawak ng Flying Dragons. But let's see kung papayag ba dito ang Flying Dragons na maitabla ang game na ito or talagang idediretso na nila ito up until the last seconds of this match.
Now let's see here. 57-52. And now they're making sure na yung ating side dito hindi madulas because of some slipping incident. Simula pa to ng ating elimination round. So they're making sure na safe yung ating mga players dito. Now, Palilio side of NCF Tigers passes to Arenzana. Now, Palilio dire-diretso. Remember that name, EJ Palilio. Now on the side of GMC, heavily guarded by Nueva. Amias recovers it. 10 seconds to shoot. It slipped through his fingers. Chimo. But jersey number 4 was there. Another turnover for GMC. Nueva taking up their time here. 15 to shoot. Passes to Gimo. Against Silvio. On the other side of the court. Realo. No good. Now nagkakagawan dito Arenzana. To Nueva. Still no good. Now Amias secure that ball. An opportunity for GMC to convert a point. Tao with a help of the glass. Back to 5-point lead. Now Palilio. 15 seconds to shoot. NCF is down by 5 points. Nueva against Parañas. A spin and a goal.
And now a great steal coming from the NCF Tiger. Chance for them to add their score here. An attempt for 3. Regalo gets that ball in. And with that, we are tied up at 59. What a game. Very close fight for these both teams.
Wow. Goosebumps, everyone. 59 all. No call on the referees. Tao. Passes to Lozada. Loses it. Now Palilio, Nueva for the lead. And a 2-point lead is on the side of NCF Tigers. The momentum is high inside the UNC Sports Palace. But the game isn't the end. This isn't the end for both teams. We still have 4 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. It's just a 2-point lead, but a big impact on the side of NCF Tigers. Now with a timeout of Coach John Paul on the side of GMC Flying Dragons, what will they do to snatch that momentum to take on the lead against NCF Tigers? But right now inside the UNC Sports Palace, everyone is going crazy with that back-to-back points of NCF Tigers. Yung 5 puntos na kuha agad ng NCF Tigers. Now let's see here. GMC is looking for a point here. After that, lots of transitions, lots of turnovers. Doon lang sa ilang minuto ng ating quarter, ang dami agad nangyari. And on our screen, President of Naga College Foundation, Mr. Mario Villanueva, with the head of sports, Ma'am Nelda Olaso. Now back to the ball game here. GMC Flying Dragons is down by 2 points, while NCF Tigers still having this momentum, this fire on their team, dahil grabe yung kanilang mga last transitions dito. So it's anyone's game. Dikit ang laban, no room for errors, tighten their defense, focus on their goal. Now the fans of NCF Tigers cheering for the team, and even in our online coverage, andyan din po mga fans ng GMC Flying Dragons giving their support on the side of Flying Dragons. Now 𝐏𝐿𝐼 with the ball, passes to Parañas, defense on the side of NCF Tigers. What a good pass right there. Now 𝐏𝐿𝐼 pushing his way in onto the other corner. Parañas, it slips through his finger. Parañas, no good. Gino securing that rebound.
And now, NCF basketball. Chance for them to add their lead here. 4 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. 5 to shoot. Another 3-pointer. Andoon si 𝐒𝐲𝐃. And some collision between 𝐒𝐲𝐃 and Chimo. Our two big men here. We are hoping that it is not that serious, because again, sa 3 days pong paglalaro dito ng dalawang kupunan, talagang mararamdaman na din dito yung pagod.
So right now, everything's good. 𝐒𝐲𝐃 and Chimo is okay. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. In less than 2 minutes, the final call. Last 2 minutes will be heard inside the UNC Sports Palace. The intensity inside the court is wild. Because who knows? Kung sino nga ba yung makakapag-uwi ng kampiyonato ngayong hapon na ito? Will it be the NCF Tigers or the GUANG College? Doon sa lahat ng laban nila, lahat nila yon ipinalalo. This is not the time to back out. This is not the time to lie low. Now everyone's making sure to clean the floor inside the court. It is really slippy and risky sa lahat ng players na naglalaro dito. Now, GMC Flying Dragons ball possession. (59-61), just a 2-point gap of NCF Tigers. 𝐒𝐷𝐷𝗕 to inbound. Passes to Lozada. 𝐒𝐷𝐷𝗕, full shot clock for Gongming College. Loses that ball. Rialo now, snatching it. Nueva once again. Palillo with that. Palillo tries. No good. Arenzano with that rebound. 14 to shoot. Palillo. Palillo spraying here. Almost loses that ball. Gimo for 3. No good. Another ball possession. Denied. Grabe, they need to calm down, because inside the court the intensity is really high. Grabe yung mga nangyayari dito. Now with that steal coming from, I think it was Rialo against 𝐒𝐷𝐷𝗕, they need to focus. They need to focus and make every ball possession counts.
What a game! 61-59. Just a 2-point dalawang puntos ang kailangang trabahuin on the side of GMC Flying Dragon to tie this match. And on the side of the NCF Tigers, if they really want to add their score here, they really need a good offense and defense.
Navarnejo checks in exchange of Lozada. 10 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF Tigers. 2-point lead of NCF.
And now, with this 10 seconds on the shot clock, anong gagawin dito ng NCF? Regalo fires for 3 again! And gets that one in! A 5-point lead on the side of NCF.
Ano pang bawi ng GMC? 2 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. 5-point lead of NCF. Parañas, 9 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded. Passes to Aquinede. Parañas to Arneo. They need to shoot this. It's in. I think it's in. The NCF Tigers is asking or requesting for a review on that last sequence. But according to our officials, that 3 points of 𝐒𝐷𝐷𝗕 is in. So that means only 2-point lead of NCF Tigers right now. Now, 16 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF Tigers. Just a 2-point lead. Bumaawi naman agad yung GMC Flying Dragons. Even with the last seconds, naipasok pa ni 𝐒𝐷𝐷𝗕 with a lot of pressure on his side. Now Palillo with the ball. 16 to shoot. Passes to Nueva. Nueva stops, goes inside, tries, no good. But a whistled foul. So he will be on that free throw line for 2 shots. Now Nueva. 2 free throws will be given to him. Again, 62-64. He misses that first free throw.
One more time for him, 64-62, 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining for this match. Grabe ang ipinapakitang performance between these two teams. But on that last one, may papasok ito ni Nueva, and now GMC with the ball possession. Picolera to their team captain, 𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿.
It's NCF's basketball. Ang ganda sana ng mga pasahan dito ng GMC Flying Dragons, pero laging nakabantay yung mga players ng NCF Tigers. So both teams really pushing in. The NCF on the offense with 3-point cap. Nueva. Jimo. A slam down. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. NCF on the lead. 5 points. Picolera slipped off. 10 seconds to shoot right now for GMC Flying Dragons. And a substitution here. Pareñas checks in. Whoa. The last sequence right there. The connection here of Jimo to his players and teammates. A minute and 55 is still long. Ay dami pa po pwedeng mangyari dito sa natitirang 1 minuto at 55 segundo ng laro. 62-67, 5-point lead of NCF Tigers. Basco to inbound. Will there be a change here on the side of GMC Flying Dragons? Can they get this basket? 10 seconds to shoot. 𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿 taking up their time. Only 6 seconds. Tries for a 3-pointer. And that's it. GMC is still alive on this game. 2 puntos ang kalamangan ng NCF.
What a game. Now NCF on the offense. Alilio fires for 3. Unsuccessful. Basco with that rebound.
Now 𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿. 2 puntos sinahabol ng GMC. A good pass. Pero a steal coming from the side of NCF. Nueva with the ball. A minute and 10. Jimo. 12 seconds to shoot. Palillo passes to Rialo. Back to Jimo. Jimo goes inside, pushing his way in. And there was a foul. 2 free throws will be given to Jimo. That's the 4th personal foul of 𝐒𝐵𝐷𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿. 54 seconds remaining for our final quarter, and just a 2-point gap of NCF Tigers. Now with 2 free throws of Jimo. Let's see if they can get a big gap here. First basket is good, making it a 3-point gap of NCF against GMC Flying Dragons.
And now Jimo Mumuni with his second attempt here. 68-65, 54 seconds remaining for this match. No good on that last free throw. And now chance on the side of GMC here.
Now 𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿𝐵𝐷𝐿 calling for a play here. 13 seconds to shoot. Just a 3-point gap. Basco. 3, no good. Ball goes on the side.
And GMC Flying Dragons asking for a review on that last play. Let's see. Let's wait kung ano ang magiging resulta ng challenge na ito.
Yes. So now with this review of our officials, kung kanino nga ba mapupunta ang ball possession, will it be on the side of NCF Tigers or GMC Flying Dragons? 65-68, just a 3-point gap. Coach John Paul needs to put his players, effective players on the outside shooting, or even make a play here. Grabe yung ating intensity sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace, everyone. With this remaining 36 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo at 3 puntos ang kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Kayang-kaya pa pong habulan ng GMC. Will there be a buzzer beater? Or much more than that?
36 seconds, a lot of things can happen on this span of time. Let's see kung may tatabla ba ito ng GMC or will the NCF maipapanalo na at hindi nahahayaang makahabol ditong Flying Dragons. Yan ang aabangan natin. So tutok lang and the ball possession is on the side of the Flying Dragons.
So right now with a 3-point gap, there's still a chance here for GUANG College to tie the game or even make it close. 36 or 65-68 with 36 seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot. Here. What will be the game plan of Coach John Paul with the seconds? Pasco to win down. Look at that defense of NCF Tigers. A Titan one passes to Aquinede. Now for Pareñas. 12 seconds to shoot. Pareñas for a 3-pointer. No good. Gino with that rebound. Valerio now with the ball. Passes to his teammate. 14 to shoot. 15 seconds remaining. 65-68. And a timeout was called on the side of GLC Flying Dragons. Now everyone, with this final seconds, will the NCF Tigers claim their victory? Or the GMC Flying Dragons will shoot a point here, a 3-pointer, or even a 2-pointer. Will there be an overtime for this finals?
Let's see and let's wait in. 15 seconds remaining on our game clock. 68-65. What a game. And thank you so much for all the supporters, the audiences na nanonood sa atin dito sa championship match ng 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Maraming salamat po. Let's see after this timeout, after this huddle, kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo with this 15 seconds remaining.
So now let's see what will be the last game plan of Coach Brian Ayo to claim their victory, to defend this 3-point gap, and what will Coach John Paul do at this moment to snatch the ball, to have an outside shooting, to tie the game, and have an overtime. So there are a lot of things that can happen inside this UNC Sports Palace as we only have 15 seconds. This 15 seconds is very important for both NCF and GMC Flying Dragons. Now, this will be the ball possession of NCF Tigers. The game plan that they need of GMC Flying Dragons to steal the ball, have a 2 points, and a foul. Now, the audience goes wild as they are waiting for the final buzzer. 15 seconds is still a long time for the both teams. Now, Palilio to inbound. 15 seconds remaining for this fourth and final quarter. Palilio looking for his teammate. Passes out to the other side. Aaron Sana! Naku! Nakalimutang bantayan on the side of GMC Flying Dragons. Nakawala doon sa depensa ng GMC. But the game is not yet over. Now let's take a look at it again with that instant replay.
Look at that. Libreng-libre with that layup. Wow. What an eye para dito kay Palilio to find Arenzana inside and gets that layup. And with that, 5 points ang kailangang habulin dito ng GMC Flying Dragons with this 13 seconds. Let's see kung ano pa ang kanilang gagawin because again, it's not yet over until it's over.
We need to wait for the final buzzer to really say who really wins this game. 13 seconds, 65-70. 5-point lead of NCF Tigers and the ball possession of GMC Flying Dragons. What will be the last fight of GMC at this moment? It was really a good fight. It was really a worth match to watch.
Yes. Napakaganda ng laro ng dalawang kupunan. The GMC Flying Dragon and the NCF Tigers. Talagang championship between these two teams. But of course, isa lang po ang mananalo. And let's see after this 13 seconds kung kanino mapupunta ang larong ito.
13 seconds to shoot here for GMC Flying Dragons. $65-70. Parañas to inbound. They need a point out of this ball possession. Parañas. 13 seconds to shoot. What will they do at this remaining seconds? Parañas looking for his teammate. Pasco for a three-pointer. No good. Now, a whistled foul. Now, after a lot of efforts for both teams, it is still a good game to watch. And still congratulations to all the teams that we've witnessed playing inside the UNC Sports Palace. Congratulations to Faith Colleges, UNC Greyhounds, Olivares College, ACC Green Serpents, and now our final two, the NCF Tigers and the Guangming College.
And of course, don't go away because ngayon din gaganapin ang ating awarding ceremony between our teams dito sa ating second South Luzon Invitational Basketball. And with this, we can conclude that the NCF Tigers is our champion for our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Congratulations! And of course, congratulations also on the side of the Guangming College Flying Dragons for giving us a good fight. Don't go away, magbabalik po kami para sa ating awarding ceremony and to know who is the finals MVP for this match.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts.
And so to award the certificate, may we have Mr. Michael Cole, Mr. John Salvador, Mr. J.R. Castillo, Ms. Eloisa Martinez, Mr. Miggy Perez, Mr. Mario Villanueva, and Mr. Lito O.R.M. And for our first participants, let's have the Olivares College from Parañaque City. Next up, we have the Amando Cope College from Tabaco City.
Let's also give a big round of applause to Faith Colleges from Tanawan City.
And the University of Nueva Caceres from the Naga City.
And of course, the GUANG College.
And our last participant is the Naga College Foundation from the Naga City.
We would also like to give our biggest gratitude to Sundaze Hotel.
Next up, we have the Summit Sports Hub and Private Resorts. Next up, we have the Papa Tantan Apartelle.
And of course, the Lemon Residences.
Next up, we have Mr. 𝗙𝗕𝗓𝐷𝗕𝗓, the co-founder of UCCL.
And Mr. Miggy Perez, Bukal incoming president.
Ayan, we are now on the most exciting part of this awarding ceremony, the awarding of medals.
The Naga Sport Flag Award for Best Six-Man Top Performing Starter
is from the Naga College Foundation, jersey number 62, Juarez. Next up, we have the Mayon Fortress Award, the Best Defensive Player.
goes to jersey number 18, Jimon from NCF Tigers.
Next up, we have the Bicol Express Award, the Faster Player in Transition. We have
jersey number 4, Garcia from Faith Colleges.
And we are now in our Oragon Elite. We have 5 players.
First up, jersey number 27, Villamor from Faith Colleges.
We have jersey number 30, Hamyas for Guangming College.
Jersey number and jersey number 18, Jimon from NCF Tigers.
Next up, we have jersey number 5, Nigase from the Olivares College.
And jersey number 9, Nagar from Amado Cobb College.
And we will now award the King of the South. And the King of the South is
jersey number 18, Jimon
from the Naga College Foundation. And now we will now award our trophy from the City Hoops. And our silver, or the first runner-up for the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament is the Guangming College. And our champion for the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament is the Naga College Foundation! And we would also like to thank our sponsors, because the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament wouldn't be possible without you. To officially close our program, may we call on Mr. Lito Arim, the co-founder of UCCL.
Okay. Good afternoon. All right. First, I would like to congratulate NCF. Then, of course, I would like to congratulate our team from UCCL, ang GUANG MING, sa napakagandang laro sa championship. We're hoping na next year, mas malaki yung third edition ng Invitational Championship. Congratulations sa Bicol, lalong-lalo na sa Naga City. We'll see you next year. Thank you so much.
Sabay tayo doon.
Again, we would like to thank our sponsors for the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Yes, it's been a long run for this win. Sobrang gagaling. Congratulations, NCF Tigers. And of course, congratulations to all of our participating team na sumali at sumama sa atin ngayon. Once again, this is Mary Bliss and 𝐒𝐲𝐈𝐍𝐵.
And this is Chris Asagra, and this has been Thank you, and to God be the glory.
See you next game.
The best player of the game is brought to us by Lemon Residence, and we just witnessed a masterclass on the hard court, refusing to back down against the opponent. He showed us a champion performance with a stats of 15 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists, and 5 steals. Our best player of the game in this finale is jersey number 18, 𝐿𝐺𝐃. So, hello 𝐺𝐃, congratulations. How are you feeling right now that you're the best player in this finale of the second South Luzon tournament?
I feel so happy and I feel so grateful. I thank God for this. I thank God for the championship. All I can say is God is great. From 0-2 to winning the championship? No. All I can say is that God is great. Thank you.
During the game, how did you adjust yourself to balance the rhythm of the team?
I just kept myself composed and I followed the instruction of my coach. And I'm giving a shout out to my kuya Emma Nojuola. Before the game, he spoke to me. Then I just used everything he said during the game. Thank you.
All right, once again, our MVP and the best player of the game, jersey number 18, 𝐠𝐃. And once again, congratulations, our champion for the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament is no other than the NCF Tiger. And what a day of basketball at natunghayan natin kung gaano kagaling at determinado ang ating mga players sa laro. Once again, I am 𝐒𝐲𝐃 Magkita-kita muli tayo sa susunod. Here lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And there you have it. Congratulations to our champion, the Naga College Foundation Tigers, for our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. And of course, congratulations also to Guangming College Flying Dragons for winning the silver medal or the silver trophy para dito sa ating liga. Congratulations to all the team who participated in our league. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. And of course, the audiences, thank you so much. Without you, hindi magiging maganda ang larong ito. Again, your commentator, Rick Huerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Maraming salamat po talaga sa mga sumama sa amin sa ating ligang ito. Kaya naman sa susunod, makikita-kita muli tayo only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.